There are two winners throwing contest. 10th place, Minka Dichiana Matias, University of the Federal Health System Delta, coach Mambubilin Placio. 9th place, Kiasi Meiko Wilkison, Liberties School, coach Desiree Miranda. 8th place, Kyra Abavanga Magpantay, Immaculate Conception Academy South Campus. 7th place, Princess Maiden Edroso, St. Francis School of Kabuya. Coaches, Gemma Alemania and Jose Openda. 6th place, Kid Alexa Coronado, Academy of Gentle Potter's Children. Coach Elsie Camato. 5th place, Jean Arabella Rubio from Great Shepherd Christian Academy. Coach Erica May P. Eta. 4th place, Yanni Cueto, University of Batangas. Coach Miss Mary Rose Pinhawa. 3rd place, Elisha May Rodriguez from Escuela Sorelli Fayoli. Anthony B. Mamaril is the coach. 2nd place, Celestia Remando, Grace Ransom Grade School, coach Mary Antoinette L. Arenga. And the champion is